Screams. They call me Luna. That's what the screen says when I log in. My real name's Jennifer. No one wants a reading from a hotline psychic named Jennifer. The night shift hums, vending machines groan, fluorescent lights flicker, with a soft electric whine, and the whole place smells like reheated burritos and desperation. The carpet's worn bald in the middle. The chairs squeak. Nobody makes eye contact. Everyone here's faking it, putting on spooky voices for the lonely people in the dark. We read from the same laminated script, its corners curled and stained. We feed comfort to strangers and get paid by the minute.
Will I find love?
Will I get promoted?
Will I have a baby?
Same damn questions. Every damn night. I got tired of lying the usual way. One night, just to spice things up, I decided to go off script. I told a caller,
"You'll meet someone after something falls from the sky."
She laughed. I laughed. A dumb throwaway line. 2 days later, the break room TV showed breaking news.
Meteorite strikes Chicago cafe. 5 injured. Couple engaged in hospital room.
I couldn't believe it. I checked the call log. Same area code. My skin prickled. I stared at the screen, waiting for some sane explanation. There wasn't one. I mean, how could there be? I assured myself it was a coincidence. Then one night I told a man he'd get promoted.
After your manager's out of the picture.
2 days later, the manager was dead. Hit-and-run auto accident. They never found the driver. My blood ran cold. For the first time, I truly wondered if this was something more. Like my words hadn't just predicted something, they'd made it happen. I tried dialing it back, being safe. But there was a feeling I hadn't had in years. A pull, like scratching at a scab just to see it bleed. A woman from Nevada called asking,
"Will I ever escape this town?"
And I stupidly said,
"Only if you are unafraid to burn your bridges. Make it bright, make it biblical."
She laughed nervously and then hung up. The next morning's news.
Nevada wildfires. 400 homes gone. Suspected to be arson. No suspect in custody.
Something sharp twisted in my gut. I couldn't catch my breath. This was all too much. Then last night, a girl called. Young. Quiet.
"Will my mom ever forgive me?"
My mouth opened before I could stop it.
Some people only understand regret when it's carved in granite.
All she could choke out behind a soft sob was,
Okay.
and the line went dead. I haven't logged in since, but I still check the news. I scroll with a knot in my chest, waiting to see a familiar headline. For confirmation. For something. Every siren outside makes me flinch. My headset's still on the desk. Sometimes I think about putting it back on, just to tell someone, don't. Stop. But what if they listen?